Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm super excited to share with you these acoustic panels. They were gifted to me in exchange for my review. Right now I'm in my son's gaming room, and as you know, when you're gaming you are loud, and I just was looking for something to, deafen the sound that he has. I currently have some more up, but I have this small area and I really want to put it on this wall right here to avoid the sound coming through the wall. I'm really hoping that these are so easy, you just peel and stick. Let's get the package open and see what we have. Looks like we have an instruction manual that really tells you how to get it all on your wall. The package does come 8 to a pack, and the self-adhesive soundproof wall panels are 12 by 12. Super easy to put up. They're so much more durable than the other ones he had up on the wall. These soundproof wall panels really have a modern design concept and really will just decorate it with a little bit of charm in your area. They do have extra tape in case it does come off the wall or you need to change where it is located. Super sticky, and these will be extra too if you need. The soundproof wall panels seem very durable, and I feel like they're going to last a long time. And you could really just do as many as you need or as many as you want. And we have a few more to put up, but as you can see, it's super easy to put these up.